patent is used to protect an invention from being used or made by other people who aren't the inventor. A patent lasts for up to 20 years depending on the country. After that, anyone can copy that invention. It can be sold to another person or company. A patent license is a permit the licensor, the owner of the patent, gives someone else to commercially make, use, and sell your invention for a specific period. The licensor and the licensee negotiate the terms and the form of royalties, or payments in other words. The licenses can be exclusive, non-exclusive, or co-exclusive. An exclusive license gives exclusivity to owning the patent and exploiting it. Not even the licensor can sell their patent. They only get the royalty payment they agreed on. This creates a monopoly for the invention, and it can cause it to be more expensive than it would normally be. When there's a lot of demand of the product and the licensee cannot meet the demand or the price is too high for people to purchase it, the government can issue a compulsory license. This way, the patent holders' intellectual property rights as patents are granted subject to compulsory licensing, and the government uses rights payment either set by law or determined through some form of adjudication or arbitration. The non-exclusive license is when the license is given to more than one licensee to exploit, and the licensor can also take part in the exploitation of the product. Lastly, the co-exclusive licensing is when the licensor grants a license to more than one licensee, but agrees that it will only grant licenses to a limited group of other licensees. The criteria to choose the other licensees is negotiated and discussed between the parts. In the events where the patent is used without a license, between the licensor and the licensee are transgressed, legal action will be taken. In November 2012, 3D System filed a lawsuit against prosumer 3D printing company, the Kickstarter crowdfunding website over Formlabs' attempt to fund a printer which it claimed infringed one of its patents. The legal procedure lasted more than 2 years and even ended with a Netflix documentary about 3D printing called Print the Legend. Thanks for watching, and keep being safe on the internet.